My name is Jenu Jose, and I work as a Senior Technology and Systems Engineer at iCorps Technologies. We work with small to medium-sized businesses deploying Microsoft products. When I first tried it out, I was very impressed with the different things that it offers. And at first, I thought it was too good to be true, especially with the price point and the functionality that it offers. Yeah, the great thing about it was I was able to get a free trial, so I went ahead and installed it in my home lab, with an instance of System Center, and I was able to really see if it worked or not. And within 15 or 20 minutes, I was able to get the application up and running and able to see that it works. Especially with Pixie booting, I was able to Pixie boot a Windows 7 workstation in a matter of minutes. We will potentially be eliminating over 200 distribution points. Predictive bandwidth harvesting was extremely important to us because we now had confidence that we'd be able to push content to Alaska or some site that we have very bad, poor connectivity and not break the network. One of the problems is that these different sites are connected with very low bandwidth, so T1 lines or DSL lines, and the main complaint is software never reaches these sites. The caching file system was very important as well because to the user, they did not see all these packages were being stored on their computers. It was completely transparent to them. From our testing, there was very little significant resources being taken when we did that. We would actually need 200 to 300 servers, and that is actually not possible because many of our smaller sites doesn't have a server room and could not house a server. And our Windows XP migration probably would have taken a year or so to finish. Rapid OSD was extremely important because one of the reasons why we looked for Adaptiva was to migrate our Windows XP clients to Windows 7. And the problem was, like I mentioned before, we had a lot of sites that had poor connectivity and did not have servers. They had branch distribution points and not distribution points. So that was extremely important to us to quickly sort of migrate our Windows XP clients to Windows 7. Doing business with Adaptiva is a great experience. I've never really worked with a vendor that was so helpful and gave us a really honest assessment of our environment and what Adaptiva could do for us. One of the things that I liked is the customer support. For example, we had a bug in our environment, and we submitted the bug to Adaptiva, and in the morning, at the end of the day, we had a new build that fixed the issue.